Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshvats, and in today's video, I am going to talk about creating automatic filter in your Gmail account. Now, let's move forward and talk about the point to be discussed in today's video. In today's video, I am going to tell you what is filter. After that, we will move on to the second topic and talk about how to create an automatic filter. And in the third point and in the end of the video, I am going to tell you how to make automatic filter work for you. Now let's move on and talk about what is filter because that is the essence of this video. So filters in Gmail are automation rules that allows you to redirect emails as they hit your inbox, thereby saving you the trouble of having to sort or manage emails manually. For instance, you can redirect certain newsletter from certain senders into a separate inbox or directly send emails from a certain source to the trash. In Gmail, you can use filters to add important markers and labels of different type and colors. By weeding out emails this way, you can free up space, reduce stress level, and focus on the conversation that really matters. So I hope you have understood what filter is. Now let's execute what we have learned about filter from here in our Gmail account. Now let's move forward to our Gmail account. Now we are in our Gmail account. Now let's see how you can make a automatic filter in your email account. Now let's see how it works. First of all, I will show you the method through which you can directly make the automatic filtering system for any mail. For now, you can see there are not much mail in my email account because it's a new one. So now let us mail to ourselves. So for that, I will again go here and copy my email ID. So click here. After that, Control C, and after again we will go to the compose, and this is the test email. So you can say this is the test email for filter. Just click on send. After you send, you will see there is a new email for you that is in important section. So you see it directly goes into important section, although certain times you do not need it because it comes from you directly. Maybe it's an important one. So now let's see how can we filter and create an automatic filter option for this email. Just click on this email, you will get into the email, particularly into this one, and in here you will see a lot of options that are available to you: archive, reports map, delete, mark as unread, snooze, add to tasks, or move to labels. So these are the things you can do for the manual thing, and it takes a lot of time and it wastes you a lot of time. But I want an automatic process to work for me. So for that you will go into the more options. In more options you will see filter message like this. Just click on. Now you can see it's from connect at fortran.in. That means this is from where you have received your email. And if you, there are two things that are applicable in a filter option. Either you can search from it or you can create an automatic filter. So there is a filtering option, there is a search option. So for searching option, like if this is a test email, so like I have sent that this is a test email, doesn't include chats, so greater than, it is less than, if there is any mail that has less than 2 MB, it should search for me. So click on search. Now you will see this is the particularly mail that has a subject, this is a test email, so it has searched for me. But I want to do certain thing, certain different thing. I want to make a automatic feature out of it. So I will click it again, I will go on inbox again, I will click on my email again, I will click here again. After that we will click on filter message like this. So you have seen the feature of search. Now we will use it for creating a automatic filter. For that, if there is any mail in a future that has a subject of this is a test email, has the word test in it, either or certain something like that, and should have less than 2 MB. Has attachment or doesn't have attachment doesn't matter. You can always click on create filter. When you click on create filter, it will ask you a multiple question. It will ask you skip the inbox, mark as read, star it, apply the label. You can always choose the label also, or you can forward it. Like for example, you have received a certain newsletter from certain organization and you want that letter to be distributed within your organization. Now you add the forwarding address to that. As soon as you receive any email from cert, particularly connect at fortran.in, it will be forwarded to all the people that you want it to forward for. After that, you can click on delete it and never send it to spam. Send template, or you can always choose a template like we have created the template in my previous video. If you do not know how to make a template or canned response, you can go in my previous video and see how can we make a template. Or you can always mark as important, never mark as important, categorize it. So you can do a multiple things. So if I want to delete it, after that create a filter. So again, we will compose a mail. Connect at Fortran. This is the test email. Test and click on send. Again, we will go in inbox. Now you will see there is a no email. Again, we will send it. You can send it multiple times. Doesn't matter now. It will do only one thing. That is, it will remove it through filters. Again, I will show you in here. From this is the test email. You can write anything in here. If you click on send, you will see as soon as you receive it, it will delete it because you have created a filter in your email account. So I hope you have understood how you create a automatic filter option in your Gmail account. And if you want to know more into detail, again you can go filter message like this. Click on here, and again you can always make an assumption and make a requirement that what you want for this email and what automatic feature you want to create for this. So this is how you will use a filter option in your email account. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your all queries have been cleared, and if not, kindly write us in comment section and we will surely get back to you. And if this video has been any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in the future. Till then, have a good day.